In solution-focused therapy, goal setting isn't about fixing what's broken. It's about building what's possible. SFT goals are future-focused, achievable, and grounded in the client's real-life vision. Not abstract hopes, not therapist-driven outcomes, but clear, concrete signs of progress the client wants to see. Here's the core principle. If you can describe it, you can work toward it. So instead of asking, what do you want to change, we ask, what would you notice if things were better? What would tell you that therapy is helping? These questions lead to goals that are specific, observable, and practical. Not, I want to be happy, but I want to feel calm enough to sleep through the night. Not, I want to stop failing, but I want to complete one project without quitting halfway. This shift turns dreams into direction. SFT also assumes that the client already knows, deep down, what they want to move toward. Our job is to help them articulate it in a way that's useful. We break big goals into small signs. What would be the first sign you're a little closer? How will you know you're at a 4 instead of a 2? This makes change feel possible because it is. And here's something else. Goals in SFT are flexible. They're revisited, refined, and co-created over time. They're tools for direction, not pressure. We also use scaling to track progress. On a scale from 0 to 10, where are you now? What's one small thing that would move you half a point forward? Every step counts. Even moving from a 3.0 to a 3.5 is worth noticing. And when a client does make progress, we reflect it back. What did you do that helped? How did you make that happen? Because goal setting isn't just about aiming forward. It's about reinforcing the path already taken. SFT goals are meaningful because they belong to the client. They reflect their language, their priorities, their reality. And that's why they work. So when you set goals the SFT way, remember, keep it simple, keep it specific, keep it theirs. Because change doesn't come from pressure. It comes from clarity and the confidence that even small steps matter.